Hi guys, I built a compiler from scratch in C. Let me show you what it does. This is the main function which takes the file name as the input from the user via CMD. Done. Yeah. This is the code written in my own language. Currently integer variables, print statement, if else block, while loop, all this is supported by my compiler. सही है आगे चलिए When I run my compiler, it goes to three stages, out of which the first stage is a flexor. It is responsible for generating tokens from the source code. Now these tokens can be of different types and the different types of the tokens which can be keywords, separate integer and so on. Hmm. The next stage is of parser where the syntax tree has been created more precisely. Abstract syntax tree has been created by making use of recursive descent and shunting yard algorithm for the expression precedence. Hmm. Once the job of parser is done, the next step is of semantic analyzer. It is responsible for finding out whether the variable used in the scope is being declared in the scope or not. If it is not declared in the scope, then the declaration of the variable should be present in the outer scope. If still the declaration is not done, this is checked recursively. And if the declaration of the variable is not found, then the error is thrown. Picture. Done. Yeah. Now the final step is of code generation. Final step is of code generation where the assembly language from the source code is being generated. Then there you go. Yeah. No. The output is real x86-64 assembly. I have made use of stack frames, register management, printf calls, all generated automatically from my source code. Let's have a look through the code generated. Let's see the demo. Daddy સાથે ગઈ છે yeah. Daddy સાથે ગઈ છે Let's see the demo of the compiler. Let's see the demo of the compiler. With the help of build.sh, we are basically compiling all the C files, and then with the help of this dot slash program file underscore one dot taha, we are just sending the file. We are just sending the file. Let's have the demo of the code. Let's have the demo. Okay. Let's have the demo of the compiler. Teacher, it is basically the case. Let's have the demo of the compiler with dot slash build.sh where all my C files have been compiled. And after this, the program file has been created to pass the name of the file to compile to main function नहीं भी देना चाहिए मैंने ठीक है ना इतना दिखाऊं मैंने ओके इतना दिखाऊं Let's have the demo of the compiler. With this command, all my files are been compiled, and now let's pass the name of the file to compile. So here the results are NSM result 0 and GCC result 0. NSM result 0 states that all my assembly code is being generated properly, and GCC result states that the linker is working fine. There are no errors in the linker. And now let's check the output of my code. This is basically the output of my code, and you can cross verify the output also. Yeah, and that's it. It is running. Actual output from code I wrote in a language I built. अच्छा नहीं तो basically just अच्छा नहीं तो ये तो basically चिकन कुकू सही okay. Hmm. And now let's have the demo. Okay. And now let's have the demo of the compiler. With the help of this command, all my C files will be compiled. And now with this command, I am passing the file to be compiled, file underscore taha. And here as you can see, both NSAM result is 0 and GC result is 0. This means that the assembly language has been generated properly without any errors, and linking is also done properly without any kind of errors. And now, let's check whether the output is being correctly generated or not. And that's it. It is running. The actual output from code I wrote in a language I built. Still a lot to improve, but it works, and that's enough for now. Thank you.